unless you, I'll just pause for seconds at a time if I need to. Still trying to figure out how to kind of do this and work at the same time. Okay, so yep, that's it. That's it. Is there a good angle to see the problem from? Is it from that way?
Let's see. Probably from probably from here. See that? I could get that. I could get that light.
Yeah.
Like pointed in there.
Okay. All right, we're getting a light point up in there. So that bushing is totally gone. There's nothing. There's just bare metal there. And then that one's tore up. So hope you can see that on
removing this arm.
Removing the A-arm upper.
And
then what do we get? I mean, these are ball joints, but are these, what do we think yet on those?
Well, I don't know if they're shot. They're probably original. They probably are old. Yeah. See, the boot's kind of tore away. Yeah. So we're going to see how we take that off. I don't like to use a pickle fork to remove the ball joints if the ball joint's good, of course. And probably not. We'll probably be putting ball joints in it. So let's check it out.
Okay. So I almost did that again this morning once. All right, we're gonna loosen the upper ball joint. Let's try. It's hard to get the camera angle in there. Where is that ground strap? I didn't back it up. I got a bonding strap. Cadillac. Yep, I do. Alright. Look off the little ground strap. Save that hardware on the cart here.
I might have to hold nuts on the bottom, but let me grab this gun. Let me see. I'm loose for the fight. I think I have to reach up there. Let me get this loose, then we'll hold the bottom. We're gonna have to just pop them so everything's spinning. On there?
Nope.
Angle's no good.
Yeah, turn it. There we go. Up.
Ratchet and a 3/4. They're through bolted through the bucket. There's the frame.
He'll try to throw some light up in there. Yeah, just a flashlight on before. Yep. Deal. All right.
I'm gonna get the creeper.
Magnetized light. This is good. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Wow, they work nicely. Really knock it off.
You go up top with that gun, get on that rear control arm, bolt, pop her loose.
Alrighty then.
Okay, that's it. Now we got to do the front one. Where are we here? The front. We need that light. Get that flashlight.
Tough angle.
Can't see it yet.
Maybe this will do it. Okay,
I gotta,
get on there.
yeah. The coil spring is in the way. Turn it. I think the whole nut's gonna turn.
Okay.
Yeah. Kind of a poor design.
Get a lot.
Above the spring. It's above the spring. You're going to be pulling that spring out to get to that nut. They didn't want you taking it apart without removing the entire unit.
All right, we found side access. Probably won't be able to show it here, but we found side access to the bolt for the bottom end. It's right back there through that cutaway. So yeah, you can actually see the cutaway, so you should be able to get something in there. Okay, on the loose at this point. Okay, we got that loosened from the side.
Grab the pry bar. We'll just pry it up and hold it from falling out.
I still got it. Still got a nut. There's a washer went down also. A washer. Want the other one out?
Yeah, it might be holding.
It is.
Probably a little bit of tension. Nothing
Yep.
crazy, just the weight of the
Yep.
unit. Let me see if I can pry it up. Yep. And then the only other obstacle is there's a shock bolt keeping it from flying out of here. Let's see if it'll come over it. Yep.
Yep.
Here we go. All right. That's what we're going to be working on.
That's it.
I'm going to take it off the spindle here.
Yep.
Let me get the
All right, I'm
big
gonna.
wrench, big hammer, the factory recommended procedure.
Excellent, big hammer. It's hammer time. I don't even know if we could say that. Here we are, coming back.
Enough light.
The taper. Get the taper out of there.
That's the caster camber
Yes.
adjuster.
It's the eccentric.
Eccentric. Actually, believe it or not, the ball joint is still tight. I know everybody's thinking, put new ball joints in.
Yeah, the rubber's not so
the
great,
rubber's
but
pulled away, but
I guess the ball joint's pretty good.
let's go after this arm.
Yeah.
We'll work on here.
Okay.
Clear off this part.
We've got a little bit of a buildup of tools, which is very normal. I'll move some stuff to the hubcap. We've got a hubcap, custom hubcap holder for parts. Paid a lot of money for that.
Bolt was already loose. I don't know if somebody was attempting to do this job. That's fine, but there's the sleeve. Obviously, it's supposed to be affixed to the rubber.
Sleeve.
Take this other side loose.
So, it may be tight, but certainly the grease has escaped.
Grease has escaped. Remember when you used to be able to grease stuff?
Yes.
So we got to figure out what we're going to do there, because the local auto parts store could not provide us with excuse me, upper ball joints.
Wow. Yeah, parts availability on old cars is not super simple. And we may have to get involved with that. Parts availability.
There's another sleeve we got to knock off of there. No big deal.
Yeah, another reason we were capturing our mid-drifts all last weekend is because this tripod is so short. It does a perfect mid-drift capture. But a recent acquisition, Cub Cadet Diesel 1572. Walk around later on that. That's a recent acquisition. More on that later.
Let's see if a
Stay
chisel
tuned.
will knock that sleeve off there, which is supposed to be super tight. It is moving. It's off.
Luckily, the camera's on a motion following mount system. Follows the A-arm across the bench.
All right, now we just have the outer sleeves. We gotta pop out of here. So, supposed to look like this.
Those look better.
All right. I think we're going to, I think I'm going to slice the outer part of the sleeve with the slicer here, and then we'll knock it out of there. And we'll have to press the new ones in. Actually, we'll get a different. We'll get the smaller
All right.
here. Here, and then we'll. Hold on.
Air. We need air.
Turn the air valve on.
I could do it, but I'm holding the camera. That's the thing. Now I need even more.
I'd like to try to put this in the vise. We can hold it. Let's see how tight these are.
Right, might put it in a vise.
I'm gonna get a punch here, of some sort. If not, figure out another way to get these things out of here. It's probably not going to want to hold in the vise, but let's see how tight they are. Moving yet.
All right, reconfigured the vise. It was moving slightly.
Let's see.
Stubborn.
Stubborn.